Hey guys, I appreciate you catching up on the 2000 Ranger XLT four-wheel drive with the 3-liter V6 and 4R44E auto trans. So I wanted to give everybody an update. We got pretty much everything all completed as far as prep. I have the parts cleaned up. I have all the bolts ready and accounted for. Got to make sure cross members cleaned up, sandwich plate. So let's take a look. So we have the tranny mount. It's all ready. I have all the bolts sorted and ready. Cross member we have here. It's all cleaned up and painted. It's been cured for about a week now. This one here had the transfer case all checked out. Bearings are good, seals are still good in it. Tested out the four-wheel drive function on it. Pretty simple. See if I can get you down in here. Not a lot of people go through this part here, but on these, the electric motor I have set aside. When you have it in two-wheel, it's a little triangular shaft that sticks out there, points to the two-wheel high. When you flip the switch, the rotary switch on your dash, it will slowly move over to 4 high. So that little pointy area will point towards that 4/8 symbol. And if you look, there's a really long kind of path to get to 4 low. Somewhere in here is like a neutral, like a transfer case neutral. And then it reaches the 4 low. I'm planning to do a manual swap instead of using the electric motor, because there's a lot of problems with those electric motors or the brain. So I don't know yet. We'll see. Get it all in there, wire it up. It's 3 bolts to take off, plus the counterbalance here that goes on there. So, but she's all cleaned up and checked out. So we'll see when we get it all bolted in. And over here is the transmission. Fresh, rebuilt, 0 miles on it. Warranted, 4R44E with the 4-wheel drive option. So it has the tail shaft for the transfer case. This one is a stage 1 build, so it has upgraded clutches and has a shift kit in it. And so that's all ready. And then here is the torque converter. It's a fresh rebuild unit. Not sponsored by anybody, so I'd rather not give names out. That's the torque converter, golden one down there. Just a standard unit, standard stall, nothing special. It didn't say if it was like a heavy duty build for towing or heavy duty street. I don't know. I have to go through the paperwork, but it came with the training for free with the build. So we will see when we do all the install. I test fitted everything. It's all pretty good for clearances. So waiting for the sun to get with me, and then we'll do the full install underneath here. You can see, not too bad to get in there and do it. We'll clean up the interior and get all that squared away. This piece here, these come off, just heat baked. You just pull the rest of that off and probably paint this. It's no biggie on that. It's one of those dumb trim pieces. Engine, it's all pretty good. I'll get new caps put on these. Just little stuff. Just clean up. Air conditioning works good, so be a good truck for someone once we get everything installed and fluids checked and all that. But appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something specific or have any questions. All right, you guys, have a good day.